In this episode, you'll learn what exactly ChatGPT is, how it can help you, and how to use it safely. Chapter 1. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a computer program that can talk to a person in a natural way, just like writing a message to a friend. You can ask it almost anything, from a dinner recipe, help with writing a letter, to explanations of difficult words or topics. ChatGPT works thanks to artificial intelligence, AI, a special kind of technology that allows computers to learn and analyze texts in a way similar to how humans do. It answers questions, creates texts, translates, summarizes, gives suggestions, teaches, and helps, 24 hours a day regardless of the day of the week. Who created ChatGPT? ChatGPT was created by the American company OpenAI. It's a technology organization focused on developing artificial intelligence in a safe and useful way for people. The ChatGPT project was publicly introduced for the first time in November 2022. How was ChatGPT created? ChatGPT was trained on a massive collection of texts, books, articles, websites, and messages. Thanks to this, it understands many topics and can respond in different languages. However, it is not all-knowing. Its knowledge has limitations, and it doesn't always have access to the latest events, unless using the version with internet access, which is a paid option. How popular is ChatGPT today? ChatGPT gained global popularity very quickly. Within just 5 days of its launch, it had over 1 million users, the fastest growth in internet history. Today, millions of people use it every day. Students, teachers, seniors, office workers, doctors, programmers, and many others. It's used in education, work, business, and also in everyday life. For organizing the day, translating texts, creating recipes, or even as a conversation partner. Many seniors around the world have also started using it because it's convenient, safe, and helpful, especially if you learn how to ask it the right questions. Chapter 2. Risks of using ChatGPT for seniors. Although ChatGPT is a very helpful tool, it's important to understand that, like any technology, it has its limitations and potential risks. Being aware of these risks can help you use the chat safely and wisely. 1. Possibility of receiving incorrect information. ChatGPT doesn't know everything. It gives answers based on the data it was trained on, and some of that information may be outdated or simply incorrect. Example: you ask, "Is this plant poisonous?" and it gives the wrong answer. Always double-check such information using a trusted source or consult an expert, like a doctor. Rule: don't treat ChatGPT as the ultimate source of truth. 2. Lack of human understanding and emotions. ChatGPT is a program. It doesn't feel emotions, doesn't understand your experiences, and doesn't judge situations the way a human would. Its responses may sometimes seem cold or mechanical. You shouldn't rely on it for important personal or emotional decisions. It can't replace a conversation with another person. Rule: ChatGPT is a helper, not a friend. 3. Risk of placing too much trust in it. Seniors who don't fully understand how AI works may trust ChatGPT too much. For example, they might treat its advice as medical or legal advice, which can be dangerous. 2. Skip seeing a doctor, lawyer, or advisor. 3. Rely on it for daily financial decisions. Rule: ChatGPT is not a substitute for a doctor, lawyer, accountant, or government official. 4. Threat from fake websites and apps. Online, you may come across fake versions of ChatGPT that look similar, but are created by scammers. These fake sites can 1. Steal your personal information. 2. Try to infect your computer with viruses. 3. Ask for payment for something that should be free. Rule: use only the official website, https:/chat.openai.com. 5. Sharing personal data. ChatGPT doesn't store user data in the usual way, but you should still avoid entering personal details such as your social security number, two, bank or card numbers. 3, passwords. 4, your home address. 5, medical information. Rule: never share private or sensitive data in the chat. 6, losing touch with reality. If someone spends too much time chatting with AI, they may begin to neglect 1, relationships with family and friends. 2, daily responsibilities. 3, physical activity and movement. Technology should support real life, not replace it. Rule: ChatGPT is a helpful tool, not a virtual life. Summary: how to use it safely. Always double-check important information. Don't ask for health diagnoses or legal advice. Don't share personal data. Use only the official website. Treat the chat as a helper, not an authority. Talk to people, not just to a computer. Chapter 3. Benefits of using ChatGPT for seniors. Everyday help without leaving home. ChatGPT can support you in many everyday situations. It can suggest a recipe using what's in your fridge, help write a letter, greeting, or short message, explain how to do something, like sending an email, saving a file, or finding something online. Easy access to information. No need to read complicated articles or search through multiple websites. Just ask a question, and ChatGPT will answer clearly and in an easy-to-understand way, even about health, recipes, history, or language, entertainment, and someone to talk to. For many older adults, loneliness is a part of daily life. ChatGPT can tell a joke, create a story for your grandchildren, or chat about any topic, from gardening to memories from youth, exercising memory and the mind. Regular conversations with ChatGPT can be a form of mental exercise. You can solve riddles and quizzes, practice a foreign language, and learn new things in a simple and engaging way. Support with learning new technologies. Not everyone has family nearby to help with computers or phones. ChatGPT explains things calmly and step by step, without judgment, without stress, and without rush. Ideas and inspiration. Need ideas for dinner, a gift, a trip, a game with the grandkids, or how to spend the evening? Just ask. ChatGPT is always ready to give suggestions and inspire you. Available anytime. No appointments, no waiting. ChatGPT is always there, in the morning, at night, on holidays, and on Sundays. Ready to help whenever you need it. No barriers. You don't need to install complicated programs. Just go to the website and type. You don't even need to speak, which is a big plus for some people. You can type slowly, with mistakes, and still be understood. More independence. With ChatGPT, many seniors can feel more self-reliant. No need to always ask children or grandchildren for help. You can do many things on your own, with the help of this tool. A sense of keeping up with the world. Modern technology is evolving fast. By using ChatGPT, seniors can be part of this world, stay up to date, and show others that they can do it too. That they're keeping up and they're in the know. Chapter 4. Can I use ChatGPT without creating an account? No. To use ChatGPT, even the free version, you must create and log into an account at chat.openai.com. It is not possible to use ChatGPT anonymously or without logging in. How to visit the ChatGPT site and create an account. Step 1. Open your internet browser. This can be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another browser. In the address bar at the top, type chat.openai.com. Then press Enter. Step 2. Go to Sign Up or Log In. You will see 2 buttons in the top right corner. Go to Sign Up or Log In. Log in if you already have an account. Sign up if you are creating an account for the first time. Step 3. Choose a sign-up method. You can create your account in one of 3 ways. With Google, Gmail, with a Microsoft account, Outlook, Hotmail, with Apple ID. Step 4. You can also register manually. If this is your first time creating an account, click Sign Up. Enter your email address. Then click Continue.
Enter the password you will use to log in, then click Continue.
Confirm your email. You'll receive an email with a confirmation code or a link. Copy the code into the website. This verification code is for one-time use only. It is intended solely for the initial confirmation of your email address. If you don't click it in time, you can request a new one by clicking the Resend Verification Email option on the login page. Done. You're logged into ChatGPT. You will see a screen that says, "What can I help with?" Now you can chat and ask questions. Note, even the free plan gives you full access to GPT 3.5, which is powerful and good enough for everyday use. Simple commands, prompts for seniors, everyday situations. 1. Write a short poem for my granddaughter about flowers. 2. What's the weather like in London today? 3. Give me a simple and healthy dinner recipe. 4. Remind me to take my medicine every day at 8 a.m. ChatGPT doesn't automatically remind you, but it can help you prepare a note or message to set on your phone. How to use. You can ask for a list of reminders for the week or a reminder text to put on your calendar. 5. Tell me a short story about a wise grandmother. You can add, for example, with a cat in the mountains. 6. Write a birthday card message for my son. 7. Recommend a good movie for a cozy evening. You can add, for example, without violence, funny, romantic. 8. Give me 3 simple exercises I can do at home. You can add sitting for legs for older adults. In the next episode, how can ChatGPT help you learn a new language, step by step and at your own pace? Need to write a letter or official request? ChatGPT will guide you easily. Let's create a lovely fairy tale for your granddaughter with help from ChatGPT, your everyday helper. How can ChatGPT make daily life simpler and more fun? Want to write a diary? ChatGPT can help you remember and write your stories.